Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Proton Mail sync issues. Whether your emails aren't updating, messages are missing across devices, folders aren't syncing properly, or changes aren't appearing in real time. There are several troubleshooting steps you can take to restore normal synchronization. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Proton Mail relies on a stable connection to sync emails, folders, and account activity. If your network is unstable, synchronization may be delayed or fail completely. You should also verify that your device's operating system is up to date. Software updates often include fixes that improve app performance and background synchronization. For mobile users, check whether background data and notifications are enabled for Proton Mail. Restrictive battery-saving settings can sometimes prevent the app from syncing properly in the background. If you're using Proton Mail Bridge or other integrations with desktop email clients, ensure those applications are properly configured and connected to your account. When none of the previous steps solve the problem, contact Proton Mail support and provide details about your device's operating system, app version, and the specific synchronization issues you're experiencing. Once synchronization is working again, monitor your account across multiple devices to confirm that emails, folders, and updates are appearing correctly everywhere. And that's how to fix Proton Mail sync issues. By checking your connection, updating your software, reviewing account settings, and refreshing your sessions, you can resolve most synchronization problems and keep your email running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.